Please stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets and numbers. Geranium color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now we're using the color of black. J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Vivid purple color. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Rose silk color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay with us. First, we're using the color of light pink. We're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Kids, now we're using the color of orange. E. E for egg, and the next one is F. F for fish. G. The next one is H. H for hand. I. J. The next one is K. Now we're using the color of dark green. K for kite. L. L for lemon. M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. And now we're using the color of dark pink color and writing the alphabet of O. Stay with us. O for octopus. P. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. Exactly. The next one is S. S for snake. S for snake. Kids, now we're using the color of silver color. Stay with us. T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. W. The next one is X. Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Exactly. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y. The last one is Z. Stay with us. Lavender color. Mint blue color. Cool gray color. Yellow color. Emerald green color. Black color. Vivid purple color. Deep olive green color. Raw silk color. Light violet color. Geranium color. Persian blue color. First, we're using the color of Persian blue. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, geranium color. H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U lavender color. V W X Y Z. Stay with us. Raw silk color, Persian blue color, vivid purple color, deep olive green color, emerald green color, cool gray color, black color, yellow color, geranium color, mint blue color, lavender color, light violet color. First, we're using the color of lavender, writing the alphabet of A. A B C D E F G H geranium color. I J K L M N O P cool gray color. Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.